GMT explicitly rose 21.99% in 7 days in an exceptionally significant manner. Bears control GMT's really current cost activities, which truly is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN truly is drifting at $315,095,195, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Current STEPN cost by and large is $0.3203 December 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a wise interest in an extremely huge manner. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, basically let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which truly is very huge. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437, which especially is very huge. The sort of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $45,105,667,806, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. So market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an extremely significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, which for the most part is genuinely huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which fundamentally shows that the really all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,105,667,806, which basically is genuinely huge. These occasions in a real sense show that the market in a real sense is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for extremely present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which by and large shows that the kind of all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $45,105,667,806, or so they for the most part thought. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers generally become commonly more especially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants truly become truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an especially huge manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of stepn, GMT, stepn execution. The cost of stepn, GMT, especially is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week in an especially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, exhibiting that the kind of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $45,105,667,806 or so they all things considered, thought. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,385,950,707 sort of are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, which especially shows that step backing and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 03 December 2023, inside an everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath in a really significant manner. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the STEPN. Which explicitly shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. The for the most part relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI sort of is at 37 in an unpretentious manner. While GMT's Williams %R marker certainly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is certainly conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in a real sense is at 32 cents. Down 6.45% in the all things considered recent hours and truly has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, generally is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week, which truly is very huge. STEPN financial backers need to basically